Hello, this is Mrs. Wong here. In this video, I'll go through your homework from Chapter 5, Worksheet 2 on constructing a triangle PQR given the following information. So the first step that I'll take is to actually draw a sketch of this triangle PQR. As I draw the sketch, I am mindful that the angle given is a right angle, 90 degrees. So I'm going to sketch that out first. The angle Q is the 90 degrees. So I'll feed in the other pieces of information that I have. So I know that PQ is 4 cm. And I know that PR is 5 cm. So I have completed my sketch. Now I'm going to start by drawing this triangle. So the first step that I'm going to draw, I need to draw the base. So PQ is 4 cm. Then I need to mark out 90 degrees for angle Q. So I'll use my protractor. My ruler. I don't know the length of QR, so I'm just going to draw it a bit longer. Mark out the 90 degrees. And I know that PR is 5 cm. Okay, but I don't know where it will cut this 90 degrees. So I'm going to use my ruler and my compass to measure out 5 cm. Okay, so I've measured out 5 cm. I'll put my metal tip at P. Then I will draw my arc. That will help to give me where point R is. So this is point R. I'm going to label point R. And then I'm going to join point P and R. Okay, so it should be 5 cm because that's the distance that I've measured using my compass. So I'll label, and I am done with constructing triangle PQR. Now let's answer part B. Is triangle PQR an isosceles triangle? Okay, so to check if it's an isosceles triangle, there are two ways to check. So if I have a 90 degree here, I have to check whether these two angles, okay, angle R and angle P, are they equal? Or alternatively, I can check whether QR is the same length as PQ. Okay, so if I were to check, QR is actually 3 cm. Okay, so triangle PQR is not an isosceles triangle because PQ is not equals to QR. Okay, so if I want to double confirm, I can also measure the angles just to check. So angle R is 53 degrees. Angle P, I have 47 degrees. Okay, so the two angles are also not the same. So it is not an isosceles triangle. Okay, so those of you who prefer to answer the question using the two angles that were measured, please do so. It's also acceptable. Okay, those who prefer to measure the length, okay, to say that they are not equal and hence not an isosceles triangle, it is also fine. So this is for question number 8.